नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, हेलो, वड़क्कम, मैं हूँ रिचा। डिवाइन विजन आर्टिस्ट पर सबका स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, एक वेरी गुड डे फॉर सेल्फ बिकॉज यू आर प्रेशियस। सो लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ। मैं हूँ सर्टिफाइड टैरो रीडर, सर्टिफाइड रीकी हीलर रिचा, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो फुल टाइम ब्लॉगर। मेरे 2 ब्लॉग्स हैं, ठीक है फ्रेंड्स। एक मोटिवेशनल ब्लॉग है, एक एंटरटेनमेंट ब्लॉग है, और उसकी जो लिंक्स हैं वो अबाउट, मेरे जो चैनल का अबाउट सेक्शन है उसमें उसकी लिंक्स मेंशन है। फ्रेंड्स, काफ़ी लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था मुझसे कि मैम हम पढ़ना चाहते हैं आपकी ब्लॉग्स, तो हमें लिंक्स दीजिए। तो वो लिंक्स जो है अबाउट सेक्शन में जाके मेरे चैनल पे आप वो लिंक्स देख सकते हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, चलिए अब हम आते हैं टॉपिक पर, जिसके आप देख सकते हैं मेरे कार्ड्स अभी नहीं रखे हुए हैं, तो पायल्स अभी लगाई नहीं हुई है मैंने। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो एक रिक्वेस्टेड टॉपिक है फ्रेंड्स, जो ये है कि डज योर पर्सन सीक्रेटली फैंटेसाइज अबाउट यू। क्या वो फैंटेसाइज करते हैं आपके बारे में, और अगर करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं। तो हम ये आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, मतलब ये जो है आज हम बताने वाले हैं टैरो रीडिंग के थ्रू। तो चलिए एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगी, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को डोनेशंस करना चाहते हैं तो यू मोस्ट वेलकम टू डू सो। आप टैरो डेक्स, ओरेकल कार्ड डेक्स, एंजल डेक्स, क्रिस्टल्स, जो भी आप डोनेट करना चाहते हैं यू मोस्ट वेलकम। इफ़ यू फील लाइक यू मोस्ट वेलकम। ओके, एंड जिन्होंने डोनेशंस करे हैं, अभी रिसेंटली मुझे कुछ डोनेशंस मिले हैं, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू गिव देम अ शाउट आउट। पायल, thank you Payal for a donation, and thank you Ritik. There is this guy called Ritik who made a donation to my channel, and thank you so much both of you for making donations to my channel. And I will be get in contact with me, email me, because I'm going to give you a free 3 card reading. You're lucky. Okay, चलिए, तो अगर आप भी मेरे चैनल को डोनेशंस करना चाहते हैं तो यू मोस्ट वेलकम टू डू सो। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डिटेल्स हैं, आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए अब हम कार्ड्स की लाइव शफलिंग करेंगे, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग कंप्लेंट करते हैं कि मैम आप लाइव शफलिंग नहीं करते हो। ठीक है, हम लाइव शफलिंग देखना चाहते हैं। मैं इसलिए नहीं करती क्योंकि मुझे वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग लगता है, इसलिए मैं ऑफलाइन शफलिंग कर लेती हूँ अच्छे से। बट क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट आई थी तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। What does a person of pile 1 fantasize about them? Okay, देख रहे हो कितनी इंटेंस एनर्जीज हैं। This person definitely fantasizes about you. And your channel song is Kam Waqt Ishq. Okay, your channel song is Kam Waqt Ishq. Okay, चलिए. Does a person of pile to fantasize about them? What does a person of pile to fantasize about them? What does a person of pile to fantasize about them? Oh my God! Why are cards flying out today? पूरी पाइल ही फ्लाई आउट होके आ गई है। सॉरी, मैं इतने कार्ड्स नहीं ले सकती, बट आई एम गेटिंग गाइडेंस टू पिक दीज। Does a person of pile 3 fantasize about them? What does a person of pile 3 fantasize about them? What does a person of pile 3 fantasize about them? What does a person of pile 3 fantasize about them? पायल 1 का सॉन्ग जो है वो कम वक्त इश्क है। ठीक है, क्योंकि जब मैं पायल 1 शुरू कर रही थी तभी कार्ड जुड़ के आए थे, तभी सॉन्ग बजा था। तो पायल 1 का चैनल सॉन्ग है कम वक्त इश्क। सो यू कैन, इस सॉन्ग में हो सकता है आपके लिए कुछ मैसेज है। ओके, सो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, आपके सामने 3 पायल्स रेडी हैं। एक सेकेंड। What are the current feelings of the person of pile 1? What are the current feelings of the person of pile 1? What are the current feelings of the person of pile 1? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 1? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 1? मैं इस डेक में मैं इसका रीडिंग में रिवर्सल्स नहीं लेने वाली हूँ फ्रेंड्स। What is the hidden feelings of the person of pile 2? pile 2. हम साथ में हिडन फीलिंग्स भी करने वाले हैं फ्रेंड्स. मैं रीडिंग करने वालों की हिडन फीलिंग्स क्या हैं आपके पर्सन की. What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? What are the person of pile 3? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? Okay. What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? What are the hidden feelings of the person of pile 3? Okay. So we have enough cards. Okay, just a second. Okay, so I'm going to keep some nail paints over here. चलिए, ये है ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. चलिए, ये है 3 पाइल्स. ओके, ये है पाइल नंबर 1. सॉरी, ये है पाइल नंबर 1. दिस मरून नेल पेंट. Excuse me for my nails, friends. I've been really busy. Okay, pile 1. Okay, maroon. Pile 2, brown. Pile 2, brown. Pile 3, green. Pile 3, green. So pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay. Pile 1 is this maroon nail paint. Pile 1. Pile 2 is this brown nail paint. Pile 2. Pile 3 is this green nail paint. So close your eyes, take a deep breath. यूनिवर्स से कॉल से कहिए कि अब सही पाल की तरफ आपको ले जाएँ, खुदा से सही पाल की तरफ आपको ले जाएँ. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. और आप चाहे तो वीडियो यहाँ पे पॉज कर सकते हैं. तीनों पाइल्स यहाँ पे विजिबल हैं. ठीक है, आप चाहे तो वीडियो यहाँ पे पॉज कर सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ओके, चलिए, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, पाइल 1 से शुरू करते हैं. पाइल 1 यानी कि ये नेल पेंट. ओके, चलिए, मरून नेल पेंट से शुरू करते हैं. पाइल 1. Does your person fantasize about you secretly? And what do they fantasize about you? We're going to do this reading. Another channel song we have for you is प्यार तूने क्या किया title track. You can listen to it, watch it. This is what they fantasize about you. Secret fantasies. So we have 7 of cups. इनको कार्ड्स को साइड में रख देते हैं so I can easily focus. The Hierophant. Ten of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Zodiac signs बताऊंगी मैं आपको. Two of Rods. Okay. The Devil. Talk about temptation. Okay. Okay. Next we have is the Lovers. This pile has all the best cards. Seven of Swords. Not to worry. Queen of Cups. The Fool. The Empress. Okay, so friends, this is an 18+ reading. a little disclaimer, this is an 18 plus reading, so if you're not 18 plus, if you're then you can please leave from this channel, leave from this reading, okay? And if you're 18 plus, you're most welcome to watch this reading, okay? Parents, if you're there around your children, don't let them watch this reading. This is 18 plus, and I'm going to be doing this reading in English because this is 18 plus. I'm going to be doing this reading in English, okay? So what does your person fantasize about you? Let's find out. Okay, are you excited? I'm really excited. And this is my first fantasized reading, and I'm excited about this. Kind of nervous as well. Okay, I have a right to be nervous as well. Okay. Chaliye. Do you like this setup, like me sitting on the floor, and if you like the setting, I'll try to maintain this then. Let me know, okay? और फ्रेंड्स, टास्क मी टू डू दिस रीडिंग इन हिंदी. मैं इंग्लिश में ही करने वाली हूँ, ठीक है? ओके, यू कैन स्विच ऑन द कैप्शंस, ओके? कैप्शंस ऑन कर सकते हैं आप, जिससे आपको हिंदी में पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है? सो yes, your person fantasizes about you because we have the devil card. They are obsessed with you. I just heard they're obsessed with your body. They're obsessed with your body, they're obsessed with you. And for women, they love your bosom, okay? You know what I mean. They love your bosom, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Definitely they're in love with your bosom, okay? They definitely love it. They love them, okay? And for men, your woman loves your chest, okay? So they have a fetish for your torso, for the upper part of your body, okay? And then I'm hearing they want to drink from your nectar, the essence, okay? And they want to dominate you in, they want to dominate you, okay? They want to be okay, I'm just getting a vision of someone tying your hands to the bed and making love to you, okay? They totally at the same time, this connection, they see it as marriage. They see this connection as long term, okay? It's not like they have these fetishes so they don't see this connection for long term. They do see this connection for long term, okay? Because we have the 10 of Pentacles card. We have the 10 of Pentacles card, so they do see they want to get married to you, and they want to have children with you. They want to get you pregnant, because we have the Empress card over here. कहाँ गया Empress का card भाई? We had the, okay, it was not the Empress, it was the Fool. So they want to dominate you, they want to be in charge, and they want to I told you a couple of things. And for women, they love the weapon of the man, okay? So okay, I'm so sorry, I'm smiling. Okay, I'm feeling kind of shy, okay? All right, so this person loves you. They are very badly attracted to you. The attraction is lethal. Okay? And then we have the cards are saying that this person wants to follow their gut feeling, okay? I'd be honest with you, this person might have had a couple of experiences in the past, but now they want to settle down with you and have children with you, okay? This person feels that you're too innocent, okay? You are innocent, and this person might have lost your innocence early. Don't get me wrong, innocence early, like literally innocence, because of their hurtful experiences in life. People might have hurt them a lot in their life. They might have been people. I'm hearing that love eludes me. So this person feels that love eludes them, okay? All right. And this person sees you as marriage material. person sees you as marriage material. Okay, I just heard love eludes me. So this person might have had very hurtful experiences about love in the past. It's like they wanted to get into relationships, or some they got into relationships that were not serving them. Okay, or that were toxic. They got into toxic situations. Okay, this person is emotional, but they might not show you that. Or the feminine is this connection. I'm hearing evolved. The feminine in this connection is really evolved. She's growing, she's glowing, and in life, okay, growing in life, and she's glowing. And the masculine is bewitched by her beauty. Okay, they think you're very beautiful, or if you're a man, they think you're very handsome, or they find you very sexy, they find you very attractive, very tempting. The temptation is lethal, friends. There's a lot of temptation, they're literally obsessed with you. And I'll tell you one thing, this person, oh my god, I've seen readings where people use a lot of frank words. They use words frankly, but I'm having a hard time saying this. uh, this person likes to pleasure themselves. This is how I will like to put it. This person likes to pleasure themselves when they're alone, thinking about you. I'm hearing looking at your pictures. Okay, looking at your pictures, they like to pleasure themselves. You know what I mean. Okay, and what do I see? You might be in a communication issue with this person. Probably you guys are not talking, or there's little communication, or they're ghosting you. But nevertheless, despite of all these things, these are their fantasies about you. I'm hearing they want to make love to you throughout the day and night. Okay, another channel song for you. This pile got lucky. Another channel song for you. There's a song, I don't, Khiladi, from the movie Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi. In the night, no control. That song. Okay. So that is a song for you. Okay, channel song concerning this theme. Abhi tak romantic songs say this is the theme. Okay. So and they like to be a fool in your love. They want to be a fool in your love, and they want to be like forget the world and just immerse in your love. This is what they want to do. Okay, so there is love, there is stability, there is attraction, temptation, and passion in this connection. Okay, friends, so abhi we have hidden feelings left from Romance Angels, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so all right, let's delve deep into the hidden feelings. That was about their fantasies. This is all about their fantasies. I hope you like the reading. We don't go anywhere, friends. Where are you going? Because we have hidden feelings left. These are the hidden feelings of your person that they don't tell you. Okay, healing family issues. Let your friends help you. Playfulness. Retreat. So this person wants to steal you away from the world. Okay, this person wants to take you away take you away from this world. Okay, they want to take you on a vacation. Okay, and currently this person is going through some family issues. That is why either they're not talking to you, or they are if they're talking to you, they're agitated, irritated, there are some communication blockages in your relationship. The reason is that this person is going through some financial, I don't know why I'm saying financial again and again. This person might be going through some financial issues as well. So this person is healing family issues. Okay, they might not be having a healthy bond with their parents, or one of their parents. They might be one of them might have hurt him or her, your person basically, and they're not able to forgive them. Okay, or something hurt your partner regarding regarding their parents. Okay, so this person is not able to heal those family patterns. Talking about how they want to see you in an outfit. This person, if you're a woman, this person wants to see you in an elegant dress like this. They want to see you in a long white beautiful dress, or I'm also getting some soft pink dress. Pink, red and white and golden are the colors they want to see you in. That's the dress they want to see you in, and probably they want to see you in white. I don't know why. White or red. They like to see you in white or red. And this is symbolic of marriage also. They want to marry you. Okay. And probably you guys were friends initially, and now they want to be like take this friendship to the next level. This person might check on you through their friends. Okay, if you're a man, they like to see you in a tuxedo, in a tux. Okay, and for some of you, your guy or your girl likes your legs. Okay, they like your legs, and whether you're a man or a woman, same. Whether your person is a girl or a boy, they like to see your legs. Okay, and they like your skin. They like your skin tone, and I'm hearing enamored. They're very enamored by your beauty, or your looks, your personality. Okay, you don't know your worth. You don't know. You realize your worth. You don't realize how special you are. These are the words of your person for you. They are saying that you don't know how special, how irresistible you are. Okay, so friends, this was the reading for pile number 1. Quite passionate reading. Very passionate. And okay, I hope you enjoyed the reading, you liked the reading. This is a kind of topic that needs to be done in English only. That's why I'm doing this in English. So do not criticize me for it. Okay. No criticism accepted. Okay. And moving on to pile number 2. So pile number 2, जिन्होंने ब्राउन नेल पेंट सेलेक्ट किया था, the people who selected brown nail paint. Okay, so let's see. The cards were flying out for this pile. Let's see. Does your person fantasize about you, and if they do, then what do they fantasize about you? Plus hidden feelings. Okay, bonus readings are back. So friends, again, this is a disclaimer. If you are under 18, do not watch this video. This video is not for you. Please walk away from this video. Please do that. If parents are watching, make sure your children are not watching this video. And if you're 18 plus, then you're most welcome to watch this video. Okay, we have Knight of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles. Friends, I don't talk about zodiac signs. I forgot to mention zodiac signs in the previous pile, but I don't talk about zodiac signs because previous pile में सारे zodiac signs mentioned थे. All the zodiac signs were mentioned in the previous pile. So sometimes people get confused. So that's why I'm not mentioning the zodiac signs. 6 of Swords, 4 of Cups, a lot of cups, the Empress. Oh my God, the Empress. Knight of Swords, 8 of Swords, 10 of Rods. See, I told you, all the zodiac signs are present over here. Fire, air, water, earth. 3 of Cups. Okay, so your channel song is दिल कह रहा है तुझसे यूं रिश्ता जोड़ लूं, तेरी धड़कनों को छू लूं. That is a song for you, channel song for you, pile 2. Okay, दिल कह रहा है from the film क्योंकि. That is a channel song for you. Okay, Another song I'm getting is there was a song, if you know the song, there was a song called Tonight's the Night to Lose Control. There was a song like that, so that is this channel song for you. Okay, second channel song for you. Okay. Oh my god, another channel song I'm getting is this song, रात का नशा अभी आँख से गया नहीं, from the movie Ahsoka. Okay, so let's get started. What do they fantasize about you? What I am seeing from the cards is, yes, this person does fantasize about you, but they are too immersed in their losses, in their regrets, in their remorse. This person might be going through a lot of burden, a lot of responsibilities right now, whether it is their career, whether it is their finances, whether it is their family. They have a lot of responsibilities on them. Okay, this person feels restricted, stuck. Okay, and if this person has hurt you, this person is feeling regret for hurting you. Okay, this person likes taking care of you. Okay, they want to take you under their wing and take care of you. Okay, and talking about what are their fantasies about you, I'm hearing kissing on the neck, kissing on the neck, and your, if it's a woman, then they love your chest. They love your chest, whether you're a man or a woman. Okay, I don't want to say the other word. They love your chest. If you're a woman or a man, they love it. They love it. They love it. Okay. I am feeling very good doing this reading. This is my first fantasized kind of reading. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm getting a vision of them, setting your legs apart and keeping them in the air, up in the air. Okay, that is the vision I'm getting. Keeping your legs up in the air and doing this stuff in between. Okay, they want to get you pregnant, definitely, so beware if you're not married. Okay, this person wants to tie you up. I don't know, I got this first pile also, but that was a vision that I got. But this over here, the cards are saying this person wants to tie you up and blindfold you. That was not about blindfolding. This person wants to blindfold you, tie you up, and then just do their love business with you. Okay, and I'm getting this person wants to hold you. Like, this person feels like they want to hold you, yes, and they want to just like pick you up and on their shoulder, like they show in the movies, like in TV shows, like the show, they want to pick you up and kidnap you and take you on their shoulder and just leave. Okay. Okay, and I just heard elope. They want to elope with you. Okay, so next reading what we have is this person, if she's a woman or she's a man. This is a gender neutral reading. Any gender can watch it, same gender or opposite gender, like whatever relationship you are in, same gender or opposite genders, that's completely fine. Okay, so it's as per your choice. Your partner, your person who is on your mind, they love your weapon. I'm talking about a man. They love your weapon, you know what I mean. Okay, so this person is also emotional about you. This person feels emotional about you. It's not all physical. This person feels emotional about you. Either this person has been hurt in the past or they hurt you. Either way, resonated how it takes. Okay. Um, so this person I'm seeing could offer you, make an offer to you, because we have Knight of Pentacles. If you've been wanting to take this relationship to the next level, they might make you an offer. Congrats. This person might like to see your relationship going very smooth, because your relationship has been going through a topsy-turvy road, okay? And this person sees it as an investment, okay? And this person loves your body, like your skin tone, your personality, especially I'm getting for some of you, they love your thighs and they love it decolletage. What is a decolletage? This portion is a decolletage. They love it decolletage, okay? And they're the type that they love cherishing you. They want to cherish you in bed, okay? And I just got the word, channel word, wheelchair. Oh my god, oh my god. They want to make love to you till you're on a wheelchair. The wheelchair said this, okay? So beware. Okay, so these are their feelings. And I'm just feeling, I don't know why, if they see you with someone else, they feel really jealous and they feel disappointed and they cry, they sulk, and they show on the exterior that I'm completely cool, but inside they are like not so cool, nama cool. Okay, inside they feel like, oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, so this person, some of you might give this person a chance that they are your ex, and some of you might just move on and give this person like, just please, I've moved on. Okay, so it's completely up to you. These are their feelings, because I do see some of you are still thinking about your ex. This person could be your ex. Zodiac signs are, all the zodiac signs are present over here: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All zodiac signs are present over here, and all zodiac signs are present in the last pile also, so that's why I didn't mention the zodiac signs. So okay, they want to suckle, you know what I mean. We have the Three of Cups card over here. They want to suckle your chest, okay? And they want to experience the love nest. You can Google what love nest means. They want to enjoy the love nest, okay? That's what they want. And for women, they love your weapon, okay? For man or woman, what the gender your person is, they love your weapon. And this person gets an the weapon becomes erect after, you know, they look at your pictures, and do their self pleasure business, okay? And they do it a lot when they look at your pictures. You might not know about this, okay? Close that alarm, please. Okay, so now we're going to check out the hidden feelings of your person. Okay, close that alarm, please. That sound is still coming. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to check out the hidden feelings of your person. So stay here. Express your love. What did I tell you? This person is not only about sex. Worth waiting for. It is safe for you to love. Probably, what did I tell you? Having had hurtful experience in the past. Children. This person wants children with you, definitely. And if it is possible, some of you have an age gap, okay? And some of you have been hurt in the past, or this person has hurt you, so you're kind of feeling very not safe to fall in love again, okay? So this card is here to tell you that it is safe for you to fall in love. Come fall in love, okay? Okay, so this person feels you're worth waiting for. You have been waiting for this person for a long time, or this person is waiting to express their feelings to you for a long time, or this person has been waiting for a relationship like yours. The love that you give them, the how much you cherish them, how much you make them feel special. They have been waiting for such a relationship, and now that it is there, they're not able to believe that someone can love them this much. They're not able to believe that how can someone make them feel so special. But this person wants to express their love to you, and they're going to express their love to you. Okay, in most cases this person is going to express their love to you, and this person wants to caress you, hold you, kiss you, cuddle you, just stare at you for hours. This is what this person wants to do. Okay, and just channeled message, this person wants to dress you up. I don't know why, I just got that vision of this person dressing you up. Okay, they want to dress you up. People like to undress, this person likes to dress you up, they want to. Okay, so this was a reading for pile 2. If you enjoyed the reading, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you subscribe to this channel, you're most welcome to this channel, most welcome to this family. Share this reading for your loved ones. Okay, and if you don't want to see if you don't like to see English readings, then you can watch some other reading on my channel. You're most welcome to check out. There are so many hundreds of videos on my channel. You can go and watch them. You're most welcome to do so. Okay, actually, now let's move on to pile number 3. Okay, pile number 3. So thank you so much, cards, for being with us. Love you. Okay, so those who have selected this green nail paint, you could be a nature lover or your healing is going on. Let's see, does the person fantasize about you, and what they fantasize about you? What do they do? 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. There is probably an age gap between both of you. Queen of Rods. 3 of Rods. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. King of Cups. 6 of Rods. Queen of Pentacles. We have 2 queens, by the way. And the last card is Judgment. I love this deck. So whosoever donated this deck to me, Hanson Roberts deck, God bless you. Love you so much. Okay, a little quick disclaimer, this reading is 18 plus. So if you're not 18 plus, you're most welcome to leave this video. Please leave this video if you're not 18 plus. And parents, if you're watching, do not let your children watch this video. Okay, and this video is for 18 plus. Okay, alrighty. So 6 of, does this person fantasize about you? Oh my god, all the 3 piles is there. Your person fantasizes about you. Okay. No, in the second pile the person was more emotional than fantasizing. Okay, but this pile, this person does fantasize about you. And I see that this person wants to play with your boobs. Okay, okay, and this person likes to pleasure themselves looking at you, your pictures, and they get an erection when they look at you. And this person wants you to take their weapon into your mouths. Okay, that's a vision, that's the channel message I got. Okay, and this person likes to hold you in their arms. Okay, and this person wants to hold your, play with your, hold your cups, hold your boobs and play with them and suckle them. Okay, your channel song is Dil Na Diya. Okay, from the movie Krish. Okay, that is the channel song. Another song I'm getting is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. They want to explore the shape of you. Okay, your shape of your body. Okay, so I see that this person cherishes you. Okay, they want to dig into you. Okay, they want to dig inside you, and some of them they want to do it at your hindsight. Okay, uh, this person wants to do it behind you. Okay, behind you as in, at your butt. Okay, so this person, I'm feeling really shy doing this reading. Okay, this person wants to keep digging inside you till you are this large. Okay, oh my god save me from doing this reading. Okay. Okay, this person wants to make you large enough so nobody is able to have you, and they want to own you. You are their conquest. Okay, they want you to make sure that only they have you and nobody else has you, and they want to keep digging inside you till you're large enough, and they want to have children with you as well. They want a reconciliation with you. If they haven't said this to you, then they're going to make this within 20 days, 20 weeks, or 20 date could be important. Okay, 20 and 6, 3, 12, these dates could be important for you. 23, 26 could be important for you as well. Okay, 12 could be important for you as well. So this person wants children with you. They want to grow, I just heard grow old with you. Okay, and if you have self-worth issues, then this person wants to tell you that I cherish you. I don't care whatever flaws you see in yourself. I just love you the way you are. Channel message. This person loves you the way you are, and they adore you. They don't care whatever flaws you have. Whatever flaws you see in yourself, they see you as perfect. I just heard package. You're a complete package. Okay, channel message. I marry you for your soul, not your money. Oh, sorry, not your body. I don't know why I said money. Probably a small percentage. You might. I don't know why I said money. Okay. Okay. So I'll marry you for your soul, not your body. That was a channel message for you from your person. This person likes playing with your hair. They would like to play with your hair. They like your hands. They like your hands. They like your eyes. They like your smile. They like your lips. They like your facial features, and they see you as a powerful woman. If you're a woman, they see you in your extreme power. They know that you're self-sufficient and that you don't need anybody else, and that you're powerful, that you're charming. They feel that you're very charming, you're very attractive, you're very sexy, yet you're very powerful, yet you're emotional. You have this childlike enthusiasm, childlike innocence about you, inside you. Okay, and they want to possess you. They control their feelings. They do not even express this. You might be saying like, what is, like, why is she saying so many positive things? My girl doesn't even express this to me. But this is what they are feeling. Okay, this is what are their fantasies about you. Okay, they want to suck your lips. That's a channel message I got. Okay, and they want to see you naked. They want to see you naked, and they want to undress you and see you naked. Okay. Okay. So I just felt that this person wants to make out with you in an open space. Okay. In an open space, they want to make out with you, like on the beach, on an island, stuff like that. So this was about they want you to explore their weapon also. They want to they want you to explore their weapon, and if you're a man, they love your chest. So they want to explore your chest, they want you to explore their weapon. This is about men. Okay, so now where are you going? Now we are going to check out the hidden feelings of your person. Okay, so let's see. Let go of control issues, heart to heart conversations, true love, deception, not to worry, flirt. So this person, see, I feel that some of you would have been holding on to this connection very strongly, very fiercely, and you are trying to see, do not force things before they're ready. I'll be honest with you. Just go with the flow. This card is asking you to go with the flow and just let loose. Give yourself some space and give that person some space, and this person will be back in no time. Okay, and then we have heart to heart conversations. This person wants to talk to you, have long heart to heart conversations with you. They want to have long, beautiful, intellectual, sensible and silly conversations with you. And this person wants to flirt you, caress you, play with your cheeks, rubbing against your cheeks. Okay, and this person likes your neck and your face. Your face is their, they love to see your face. I just heard I love to see your face when I wake up. Okay, so they probably have a picture of you, or if you guys are married, then they like to see you in the morning, or if you guys are engaged, whatever, living together situation, they like to see your face in the morning. And this person feels you are their true love. True love. They feel you are their true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Okay, and another channel song we have for you is Jaane Maine Jaane Jaan from the movie Kya Kehna. You can check it out. Okay, I'm not in my singing mode. Excuse me. Okay, okay. So this person definitely hides their feeling, and since they see you in your power, they feel that you might reject them. They feel, I just heard, not good enough for you. They feel they're not good enough for you, and they hide their feelings. Even though you might feel like, I see this person is powerful and all of that dream guy, dream girl stuff, but how can they feel they're not good enough for me? But this is how they feel. They're hiding their feelings because they feel that you might reject them, or you deserve something much better than them, and they're not good enough for you. That's how they feel. Okay, so this was the reading for today. Does your person fantasize about you, and what are their fantasies about you? An 18+ reading. So if you enjoyed this reading, let me know, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed to my channel, then you're most welcome to refer it to others. Okay, and friends, I'm about to add the membership option, so make sure you subscribe to my channel as early as possible, because then you will have to pay a fee, okay, to watch this channel. So if you want to make any donations to my channel, you're most welcome to make donations to my channel. Okay, so the description box has details that you can let me know. Okay, and if you have a birthday today, happy birthday, God bless you. And my birthday is also coming up on 11th of August. Just in case you want to, okay, just give me something. Okay, just kidding, just kidding. Alright, so take very good care of yourself. God bless you. Cheers. Bye bye.